Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make apples with a pecan cinnamon streusel baked in the air fryer. This is the perfect recipe to make while apples are in season. To get started, wash and cut 2 apples in half. I'm using Honeycrisp apples. Cut out the apple core and slice a small piece of apple from the bottom to help the apple stand up and not roll. Now scoop out some of the apple, making sure to leave some still on the sides and bottom. Cut the apple that was scooped out into small pieces and add to a bowl. To the same bowl, add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of oats, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give everything a stir until combined, then scoop the mixture evenly back into the apples. Pour half a cup of water into the bottom of the air fryer basket. This will add moisture so the apples stay moist while cooking. Place apples into the air fryer basket and cook at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure to check in between as every air fryer is different. You want the apples to be cooked through and the streusel to be crispy on top. Top your warm apples with ice cream or whipped cream. And that's it! Honeycrisp apples are great for baking because they stay crispy and don't get too mushy when cooked. I love making these because it tastes exactly like apple crisp, but it takes no time to come together and is perfect for 2 to 4 people. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.